Holy.
Take this and take
Bye.
big movie too.
Wow. That was nice.
Up there is not so. See, just there. Here is not so. I wonder if down this way is actually no, this is generator.
Told Rachel we'd get a thunderstorm today. She's like, really? Yeah, but see, they got lights now. So it's better.
Also, you can just make an extra running call.
Ours will be green. Ours is green. Theirs is red.
So they must wait.
So they have to stop till theirs change.
Yeah, before he was done. In the morning I go and he was nothing like that.
Yeah, when I went down, it was like that.
Oh, they changed sometimes.
This morning, actually, because I went down like 11:30. Go, 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 go.
Stop.
You could have.
No. Now he said if you can't stop, you must stop.
Look at
Holy cow, 2 minutes. It's not really that much. Hi, baby pig. Hey, baby pig. Baby pig. My mother, she's seen this. So say hi to Futenko.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Tata.
It's 43, 40, whatever. See myself. Ooh, big fucking waist. Whatever. My mother, she don't understand English. Oh, slow down. Good, now it's better. Beautiful. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, finally.
Okay, turn it on.
Why? Take a movie, pig. I like the pen. We have a thing here. You just put it there. You sit there, the camera sit here like this. Beautiful. Playhouse. Construction everywhere. This is what they do all fucking day. Nothing. They start this way. Now